Hey, are you a business owner who is struggling to manage the cash flow? Hey, I'm Keval Kishan, your business automation coach, and today I'm going to give you an amazing tool called Cash Flow Monitoring Sheet, which will help you to track your cash flow in advance, where you'll be able to keep check of your upcoming monthly income and expenses. You'll be able to track it week wise on what are the expected expenses, and you'll be able to track week wise the payments which needs to be resolved received. And guess what, it will help you to get rid of any surprise payments and expenses and always be on the top of your monthly cash flow. 8 years back when I started my entrepreneurship career, I used to focus just on revenue and I never used to analyze what will be the expenses of the company, and because of which at the end of the month it used to be very hard for me to find the profits and giving the money to the employees as well. Now using this cash flow monitoring sheet, you will be able to not only analyze your upcoming month payments but your expenses as well, and you'll be able to analyze on what is going to be the profit for the business. So go ahead and download this copy. Guess what, I'm going to give it to you free of cost in this video, because we are right now aiming to impact 10 lakh business owners life by giving them right solutions using Google Forms and Google Sheets. So go ahead, click on the link and download this amazing cash flow monitoring sheet and start managing your cash flow like a pro.